What's happening, guys? This is Sammy Geek back here with another video, and this is an exciting one today, guys. I am really super pumped to open this package. So today is Friday, and it's always fun to get a package on Friday. This package contains the Note 10 Plus case. I ordered this a while ago. I know it was on back order. Basically, they were not producing the case, and it finally has arrived. I received a message about a week ago saying that it was going to be shipped. So I'm going to open this guy real time with you guys. So I have not seen this thing yet. I promise you, this package has not been opened or tampered with in any way whatsoever. What I've got here for comparisons is I've got my S10 Plus right here with an ultra thin case on it. You can see that the case is pretty filthy. I've had it on there for a while. This one is very, very ultra thin. And the next one here that I've got, this is actually a brand new case. This is also an ultra thin case for the S10 Plus. I have not put this one on yet, but I noticed I actually did a review between these two because personally I like ultra thin cases. So we shall see what is in the package here. But if it splits the difference between these two, that's awesome. But basically what I want to do is open this up real time with you guys and give you my thoughts and general impressions, and I am super excited to see this thing. I can't even wait to do this comparison to see how this thing's going to feel in the hand. So I'm going to let you guys know what the case feels like in the hand as compared to the S10 Plus, as well as we're going to do a size comparison. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy, see what we got going on in here. See if I can do this on camera for you guys. Open sesame. What do we have going on here? Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Wow, let's see. All right, mobile fun. I can send you guys a link here in the description for, I'll put a link in the description of what this case is. But let's get this thing torn open and see. All right, well, this feels really small. This does not feel like a Note 10 Plus. Well, it apparently looks like they've sent me the wrong case. So, looks like we're gonna do it. This is interesting. See, this is the fun stuff you get to see live. We get to do a comparison of the Note 10. So I guess if anybody's looking to see what the Note 10 case looks like, that's gonna be the comparison. Wow, am I disappointed, believe me. But here, look it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna compare. Got to roll with the punches on this one. So we're going to compare the Note 10 to the, wow, this is actually pretty crazy. So let me get this off for you guys. The Note 10 versus the S10 Plus. Wow, look at that. Let me see if I can get this, scoot this over a little bit and get this a little bit more centered for you guys. So it's just a hair bigger. That is crazy actually to see. But look at the squareness of the edge. I think I am gonna love, I'm so disappointed this thing is not the Note 10 Plus case, but look at the corners on this thing. Look how sharp that is. So I'm just gonna take this S10 Plus and put it out of the way and kind of do a comparison here for the, which by the way, this case feels really perfect. It's super ultra thin. And boy, if you're in the market for, look at the edges on this thing. If you're in the market for a Note 10, this is going to be a rock star phone. Look at that. Fits great in the hand. And look at that. That is awesome. I'm digging this. Sorry guys, I'm obviously my nickname is Sammy Geek for a reason. Geek out over this stuff. So here's the difference kind of upside down. I'm out of frame here for you guys, but let me see if I can get this. I'm going to tilt this camera down just a hair. And then I'm going to pull this down a little bit so you guys can get a little bit of better angle here. And I'll kind of put it up as well. So I'm going to put the bottoms so they're even. And then you can see the top. So here it looks like it's a little bit bigger, but man, that thing is so squared off. It is crazy. So that's it, guys. So far, I mean, if I'm going to rock the Note 10, that is going to feel great in the hand. It's going to be so awesome that it has the S Pen. You can see the S Pen. Cutout is obviously down here in the corner. Again, even on the standard Note, there's nothing on the side, but We do have volume rockers here and the power button, which will probably double as a Bixby button if you press and hold. But so far so good. Again, if I haven't said it 5 times already, I'm really disappointed. This is not the proper case that I ordered, but this does give us a little bit of a view of the sharp angles. I love the squared off. I can't say that enough. And also this case is great. It's very, very paper thin. It's very minimalist. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So looks like I'm either going to keep this one or send it back and have them send me the Note 10 Plus case. And I'll do another comparison for you guys. Yeah, this has been fun. You open up a package you think is going to be something different and ends up being the wrong case. But you guys got to see it live real time, so I promise more videos to come. I will talk to this company and make sure that they expedite the Note 10 Plus case for me. And I will talk to you guys soon. Please subscribe to my videos. It means the world to me. And then I don't feel like I'm talking to myself. So anyway, I'm just teasing, but have a great weekend, guys, and enjoy yourselves, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.